Sorry, it's my first day. Sorry, everybody.
With an internal pressure of 80 psi, adding heat to a champagne bottle may make it more likely to shoot for the moon.
So this machine is the corker. Now from this moment on, this bottle becomes a pressure vessel, essentially housing the kind of force that can cause a wine bottle to turn into a machine gun. And that is what this myth is all about.
Okay, and back at the shop, Carrie begins by sizing up her opponent.
Now, winemakers actually use different shaped bottles for different wine. You can tell that you have a Riesling because it has slender shoulders. A Burgundy is a little bit fatter at the bottom. You have shoulders on a Bordeaux. So it's possible that the size of the bottle, the type of wine, or even the shape of the bottle might make a more explosive cork.
And to find out, the team is going to fire up a wine flambé.
I'm making my Zen garden.
To see if any bottle can shoot its cork the mythical 100 feet. And here's how.
So for our bottle Olympics, we're going to have a flame off. We're going to put each different type of wine in this holder right here, turn up the flame, and compare the results.
And first up is a room temperature Bordeaux.
Here we go.
With the team safely behind the blast shields, now the waiting begins.
Now, this could be my favorite way to open up a bottle of wine.
Remember, the corks in the myth supposedly flew 100 feet.
Right now I call we are at 50 seconds.
But how far will the Bordeaux blow?
Oh!
That was it?
I was there expecting glass.
That's pretty.